Hey guys, this is Steve on the Guru Brew. I wanted to show you this hard drive caddy. This is like a docking station for, your desktop hard drives as well as laptop. Now I've done reviews and I've showed you these before in other shows, but this one's a little bit different. This one will do SATA drives as well as IDE, so that's very useful. And then of course it will do the 3.5 and 2.5 inch. And it was pretty cheap too. I'll put a link to my Amazon in the description if you're interested in this. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. This is the startech.com hard drive docking station. Let's take a look. There it is. There's the docking station. It's got power and an IDE cable slot here. There's a power button. This must eject your hard drive. And I can see that there's a plastic piece in here that you can remove. Yeah, see it pushes down. It's kind of like putting your hard drive in a toaster. I see. This is not what I thought, people. There's SATA pins down in here, but as far as the IDE, they gave me a cable. So I bet what they want me to do is plug this in. Here's a product example that I really didn't know what I was getting when I bought it, and I'm a little bit surprised by this. Come to find out, this is the arrangement that you need if you want to use IDE hard drives. It's completely separate of the internal docking station. This is where the hard drive would normally slide into. And this works fine for SATAs, and I can see the SATA port down there. However, I thought that you would be able to perhaps flip a switch or something like that, and the connectors would go into the same port for the IDE as well, and that's not the case. You can see they give me a small ribbon cable and a power connector, and you have to plug it into this unit and then use your drive like that. And they also gave me a smaller one for hard drive IDEs. So that was their solution, unfortunately. This arrangement's okay, I guess, if you have a bench that you want to put it on, but I was really hoping that I could just slide it into this fixture here and not have all this outside. So while this is very affordable, I can't say I like the arrangement at all. Now, they did give me some different types of power cords that I won't be using for international use, and like I said, the IDE cable for the small laptops. This is just a cover that was on here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and try it out off camera. They gave me a USB cable here too. I'm sure it'll work fine, but I wanted to keep this video short because I've done these kind of videos before. This is the power brick that they gave me, and it has a little light on it. So while this is cheap, and I'm sure it does work fine, you can see the USB plugs back here. Yeah, I didn't expect to have my hard drive hanging out of the case. I thought I'd be able to plug it in. So there you go. I learned my lesson buying something before I knew what it was all about. Anyway, I'll still go ahead and leave the link in the description if you want to take a look at this product. And if anybody knows of a inexpensive solution for a caddy system that does IDE and SATA, I'd be interested in looking at it. So let me go ahead and turn this off and unplug the IDE cable. And just go ahead and shove a SATA down in there just to be sure that that works. So yeah, that's how I expected both drives to fit in there. Let's turn it on. So yeah, I can hear it coming on. So this solution does work, but you know, if you don't want it hanging out of the case, it's kind of poor. Although IDEs are so rare anymore, you may never use these cables much, you know, so it might not be that big a deal to you. The price is certainly affordable. So anyway, that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.